Feels extremely expensive. This is my Birkin. Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning back into my channel. It's your girl Princess Jess, and today we kind of sort of got a different video going on. Today, if you can tell by the title, I finally got my Marc Jacobs tote bag, the leather version, and I wanted this bag for a really hot minute. I actually low-key ended up wanting the brown version of this bag after I got it, but that's a story for another day. But we finally got my bag. My bag came really fast. I think I ordered it on like a Saturday and got it on like Monday, Tuesday-ish. So yeah, I just want to show you guys what it's giving. So this is the box that it came in. But I noticed, I thought it was a regular brown box. I was gonna open it before and just like showcase it to you guys, but I noticed that like the inside of the box is green, and I feel like they wouldn't just make it green without like alluding to something else. So let's unbox it. All right, y'all, so this is how the bag came. As y'all can see, really cute, the whole like Marc Jacobs logo there. I think that is so cute. Look at me down here in the corner looking dumb. But okay, I actually wanted to like actually go inside the store and do a whole video, but I couldn't because they don't sell it in stores. They only sell it online. So I was like, whatever, let me just do it. All right, y'all, so I'm sorry if my camera like moved around, my battery died, but getting into her, let's see what it's giving. Okay guys, so oh my gosh, like, is this not freaking perfect? Now I like am so obsessed. So my only thing is that I have a black Telfar bag that's like similar to this. Actually, I'm lying, the material is nowhere near the same at all. Like, it's just so yummy. But I do have a black Telfar, so that's like really the only reason why I wanted the brown version of it, so that I could have like a influx of different like colored bags, like neutral colored bags. But you feel me, like I was like, you know, it is what it is. I wanted the brown literally after I put this order in, so I was just like, I'm not going to exchange it, I'm not going to do all that extra stuff. Being that I mentioned that I have both a Telly and a Telfizi and a Marc Jacobs bag, I just wanted to compare them to you guys. So this is that Marc Jacobs bag. You can see like I'm literally not even like moving it at all, and you can see that the formation of the bag is exactly how it's supposed to be. When you sit it down, it sits exactly up the way it's supposed to. And then this is my black Telfizi. Now the bag is definitely like a shopper tote, which we all know, but you could see that like it kind of deforms after a while, which is why I kind of sort of did get this bag. But I didn't even notice that they had the brown one. I would have got the brown one so that I could have this and know that I have a black like to-go bag and also have a brown one, a brown to-go bag. But you know, it don't hurt. Like, blacks don't hurt. I absolutely love both these bags completely, entirely. And yeah, I just wanted to give you guys like a better perspective as to why I felt like I should have got a different color compared to getting a black one. So yeah, this bag is making me not regret getting the brown one. So I'm so happy with it. It's so cute. But let's see like exactly what comes inside the bag. I know it comes with like a latch, or like, you know, the long thingy that makes it longer. I'm never gonna use that. I'm not that type of girl. I'm not into like the, I don't know, it's not me. I'm very much into the, hey, how you doing? No, you can't get my number. What? No, you cannot. Please, goodbye. Bye. Feel me? Like, that's really much what I'm into. So I'm really obsessed with this bag. But let me take off all the extra packaging and show you guys exactly what it's giving and all the details. So it comes with another one of those green tags. I guess that's like their like low-key theme is neon nowadays. I don't remember Marc Jacobs being neon, but I digress, you know. So I'm already loving the bag because I'm noticing that it has a lot of gold accents on the bag, which I don't know if y'all know, but I've been low-key obsessed with like golds and like silver looking jewelry tones together, just because I don't know, I feel like it's extremely classy. I know you're not supposed to match like jewelry colors, but you know, I'm not everybody, so yeah. Okay guys, so off rip, I just opened the bag and immediately I was wrong. It does come with a dust bag. I'm not gonna open it all the way because I like how they rolled it up. I mean how they folded it up, but like it's literally a dust bag. Huge. It just says Marc Jacobs on it. I don't even gotta open it to put two and two together. It says Marc Jacobs. This is Cobes. So I'm assuming that's Marc Jacobs, you know? I can't get this little paper off, but next is that thingy that I was telling you guys about. I'm gonna put it on for the purposes of this video, but it's just to connect the bag and, you know, give it that shoulder vibe. I literally have no idea what it's called. I'm like, I don't know. I can't come up with the word in my head. I know what it is, but I just don't know what it is. But yeah, this is that. So off rip, this bag is like perfect. I did not want to get a huge tote to go back to school because this is my last year of college, or my last semester of college, and I'm not about to be taking no notebooks to school. Well, I'm gonna really be taking one. I'm actually gonna show you guys exactly what I'm gonna have in my bag for school, or what I have in my bag on the regular. But I just love how it's not an overwhelming bag. Like, it's not gonna take up too much space no matter where I go. I usually be in my car all the time, so I'm going to love just putting this in my passenger seat, just being able to hold it without a hassle. I hate like huge chunky bags. Like, it's just so cringe to me, and this is like literally the perfect size for me. First and foremost, I'm still trying to take out the packaging, y'all, and I didn't even know that the flap slash pocket that's inside the bag was this huge. Not even the fact that it's this huge, but you could also like flip it out of the bag. It's not just stuck to the walls of the bag. You could actually like flip it out and have better access to it. Like, let me find out. And it has like two let me see if y'all can see. So it has two like pouches as to where I could slide like my lip glosses, my any extra makeup that I have, or any extra pens that I have. I'm actually gonna slide my pens directly in there because I'm not gonna have a pencil case this year. I just think that's a waste of money, a waste of time, and it's extremely annoying. So I would just put like my extra pens and pencils in these pouches, slide them on the side so that they don't move, and I just think that's like so cute and convenient. And then it has this one pocket like with the zip, and again we have another Marc Jacobs neon green promoted. I don't know what the hell this is, like promoted. I guess this is just like their facts, the fact that it's like genuine leather. I could see the leather word right there, so that's how I know. But yeah, guys, that's really it. Now I'm gonna show you guys me clipping the that extra strap that comes with the bag. I'm gonna show you guys me clipping it on. It's extremely simple. So it's literally like to the T, Marc Jacobs to the T. Like, let me show you guys. Let's zoom in because I just learned that my camera does that autofocus thing. Let me take my head out. I always wanted to do this, like put my hand behind an object and have it zoomed in, but as y'all can see, Marc Jacobs to the T, like perfectly engraved on there. Just so pretty, so perfect for your girl, and I just love it. Like, Marc Jacobs everywhere, like just minimally placed, and it's not overwhelming at all. Oh shoot, a defocus, but it's not overwhelming at all, which I think is so cute and chic, which is why I bought it. So you just clip it on to the side right there. You'll see, like, you can't miss it. It's like the gold accent that's inside the bag. You strap it on there or clip it on there like so. And if you're one of those girls that likes to have it on your side, it could just be like, you know, idling on the side of you. I don't want to show my whole body because I'm not really wearing pants right now, but you know, you can have it on like your shoulder, whatever the case may be. I'm not into it, so I'm gonna take it off immediately. I'm actually gonna put it inside the dust bag because I do think it is cute, but I'm like extremely in love with this bag. I really wish I could wear it like tomorrow, but I'm gonna just wait till the first day of school, well, the first day back on campus, so I'm not fiending, you know. So thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. Thank you for clicking on it. I just wanted to do like a quick unboxing because I used to watch these videos growing up on YouTube. I loved unboxing because I couldn't afford it, but now I can. I didn't even mention this bag retails for either $450 or $550. I'm not too sure. I'm pretty sure it's $450. And I love it. It's worth it. It feels extremely expensive. This is my Birkin till I never get one. I'm literally never gonna get one of those bags, but this is my school Birkin. And yeah, guys, so I really do hope that you guys did enjoy this video. I absolutely love this bag. I don't think that this bag is sold out. I do know that initially when it first launched and came out, it sold out immediately, like almost immediately, and I couldn't get my hands on it, and I finally got a chance to. And yeah, so I definitely will go ahead and link this bag down in the description below. And I do hope that you guys extremely enjoyed this video, because I enjoyed feeling and touching and being able to just have this bag in my collection. So yeah guys, with that being said, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl, and I will catch you guys in the next video.